right, guys, I'm back out here with this IDS unusual manual. Ugh, it's dreadful. It's dreadful to pedal this thing. But, you know, I only did one little video on it when I did the unboxing, so I figure I'm just going to take it for like a real ride now up through Penn Center. I might take it on the trail tomorrow. I don't know. I don't know if I'm up to it, man. I'll be honest with you, man. 64-year-old geezer. I just don't know. And I just pedaled this from the beginning, from the front of the building down here. My legs feel like lead pipes. So yeah, let's give it a little shot, and maybe I'll put the Relive app on and see what that looks like. All right, guys, here we go. I got the thing set so high, the pedals, that so I can get the full leg extension. So actually, when I get off of this thing, it's like almost fall off every time I get off because I have it so extended out. The seats, like my feet can't touch the ground, right? Because somebody told me when I was riding this before, left a comment on my other video, they said their seat's not up high enough, you're not extending your legs enough to be able to get any good pedaling, you know. So heck, I don't know anything about pedaling. Well, I do know something about pedaling. It sucks. Pedaling sucks. Now we're gonna try to hit this hill. Hey, babe, to see if we can make it up the hill. I don't know, man. I don't know if I can do it. I mean, I don't have no speed going in here. Oh, that's just horrible, trying to do that. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Wow. I can barely move my legs. Supposedly this is a 6-speed bike, but I'm only feeling like 3 or 4 on here. Maybe I need to adjust it a little. Wow, this is brutal. Oh my God. I wonder how far I would get on the trail with this thing. The thing about the trail, you know, it's pretty flat, but here you get these little, here in the office complex, you know, you get these little grades. Like, I don't think I would even consider trying to go up there to Popeyes. I'd probably kill over with a heart attack. The seat on this thing sucks. I had the Cloud 9 one. On here, but I took it off and put it on the inch here because I'm getting ready to do that put that new battery on the inch here and try that out. I guess if you just go slow like this, whatever this would be, what I'm doing, you know, 6 miles an hour or something, I guess you could be okay on the trail. It's not that tiresome to do that. I didn't have to stop at that stop sign. I'm already going too slow to stop. I'm already stopped by doing this speed that I'm doing. And I pumped up these tires too, man. I put these at 50. Try to get it as hard as I could to give me some more oomph. Yeah, I guess it's not too bad if you're out here and you can just find a nice flat trail. So maybe I'll drive out to the trail tomorrow and give this a shot out there. It's not a bad bike. It seems to be pretty sturdy, but any kind of grade, wow, it's a killer. Any grade at all. Okay, so it seems to be going back through all the gears now. I think I'm in first gear right now. No, I'm not actually. I mean, this first gear, you could spin this thing like crazy. You're not going anywhere. Yeah, any grade whatsoever, it gets extremely tiring to pedal this thing. Wow. Go up through the gears, you can get some speed going. You got to work these gears pretty good. Yeah, I think even if I did take this out on the trail, I don't think I would go out too far. I would be afraid that that I have to pedal back. You know what I think I should do with this bike? Because it doesn't seem like it's a bad bike. It rides pretty nice, but maybe I should get one of them switch kits on here. You know? Anytime you're on this thing and you get to any kind of grade, you got to immediately run it down to the first gear. Maybe I should try to make it to Popeyes. I mean, you got to look at it this way too, guys. I'm 64 years old, okay? So I'm not no, 25-year-old guy. Yeah, so this is very taxing for me, you know. This is not some easy crap here for me. This is hard. Let me see if I can choke it up here to Popeyes. If not, I'll just get up and walk up that quarter of a block right there. Let me roll it down into low speed. Here comes the cops again. They're not doing anything. Riding around. Okay. Actually, I had another gear to go. Okay. I think that bottom one, I need to move that over just a hair. But that one's so bad, you know, they're not going anywhere anyway, so. I should have brought that little speedometer to let me know how fast I was going. Because you know damn well I'm not going no more than 6 miles an hour. Okay, I think I got it in the third gear. The third gear with this on the flat surface is kind of like your sweet spot here. Just for, you know, moving along at the steady pace. You have to excuse my huffing and puffing, guys. It's just, whew, it's very tiring. It goes without saying that I'm not going to buy any more of these pedal-only bikes. You know, there's no way in hell I'd buy another one of these things. Let's see what's it. Give me a wing! It was an echo when I said that. It's actually, it's not that late. It's kind of early. Let me look at my phone. Not quite noon. Give me a wing. Give me a wing. I don't know about a wing, but I sure as hell could use a drink of water right now. I think I'm gonna stop right here and get one of those. This thing has really nice brakes. Of course, you're not stopping anything. This thing doesn't weigh anything. I've actually went 1.5 miles on this thing already. Oh, my legs are gonna be dying enough tomorrow morning. I got the camera mounted on the handlebars today, guys. I didn't feel like wearing that vest, that chest mount thing today. Ugh, it's too hot. Hey lady, go put a shirt on, because your fat gut is rolling out of that shirt and it looks gross. Yeah, this third gear is kind of like the sweet spot for this thing. You could even make these little grades like this without stepping it down. You could just leave it in this third gear. Alright, so I'm gonna start heading back. So that should be my 2-mile cruise. Alrighty, we're gonna head back. Alright, so you won't be seeing any hill climbing videos out of me with this thing, or, you know, it won't be going over there to the park to do, you know, any of that kind of crap. burnouts in the ball field and you know, doing that stuff. That's not happening with this thing. I wanted to see something here real quick before I wanted to see how fast I was going on this thing when I was just doing this regular speed. I don't have my speedometer, but I just pulled out the Relive app, and that's gonna tell me what I was doing when I was just doing this regular cruising here. Okay, so I'm going like, what, 6-7 miles an hour or something like that. Okay, so all right. So on a flat surface, like the trails are all flat. They have like a 1% grade going south, and the -1 coming back toward Pittsburgh. It's like 1% going toward DC and -1% coming back. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. It's like 6, 7, 8 miles an hour when I'm just normal pedaling here. Okay, that's good to know. So if I went steady, I could go from Boston out past the cemetery in like an hour, you know. See, the hills and the grades are what kind of really hurt you. If it was just all flat, this wouldn't be that bad. But when you hit the grades, especially, you know, somebody my age, when you hit the grades, it really sucks the life out of you. And then it takes you like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes to recuperate, you know, so that kind of makes it difficult. Let me let these people go here. All right, that's enough for me, guys. That is enough for me. Wow. Amazon's here. So we'll put this turd away. And we got on the charge, or no, it's just done charging actually right now, is the Mighty Mantis 8. And boy, is that thing sweet. So I think I'm just gonna hop on that and leave this Turk alone. I've had enough of this thing. Wow. Whew, what a workout. Holy tamale. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.
That's all, folks.